No relief for Shah Rukh Khan's son as his bail plea from Sessions Courts gets rejected once again. Remember that Aryan has been in jail from October 8th. Hi, I'm Priya Hingorani, and joining me is E-Times movie editor Rachit Gupta, and we bring you the latest from the Aryan Khan drug case. Tell us, Rachit, what are you hearing in terms of, from the Bollywood? It must be really, really heartbreaking, even for the family. Remember, Gauri Khan also broke down the last time that we saw her outside court.
Yeah, Pia, yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is going to be very shocking. Of course, especially for the Khan family, but also for the film industry. Because what little conversations I was having with people within the industry this morning, everyone was quite hopeful that, Aryan would probably make bail. And such
Right.
was the slant, a lot of people were coming forward. They have been coming forward in the past couple of days. This morning we had Kubra Seth, we had Prakash Jha. I mean, yesterday also
Yes.
Javed Akhtar made a huge sweeping statement that probably the film industry is paying a price for being a glamorous place. And so, yeah, I mean, of course, in general consensus within the film industry, they were hopeful that Aryan would make bail, but unfortunately, that has not happened, and it must be heartbreaking for the Khan family right now.
Absolutely. And what is also interesting is that you can see so much support, not only from the film industry, but also across social media. His fans have come out in support of him. There is hashtags on Aryan Khan.
Yeah.
People are standing with posters, and it's really heartwarming to see, the kind of love that Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri are getting. I think we at E-Times were the first to even break the story that, Gauri Khan has stopped all celebrations. There were no Dussehra celebrations. There was nothing, no sweets are being made in the house. Everything has come to a standstill. And of course, the court was shut for 5 days, but no relief once again. Of course, when it came to, Shah Rukh Khan, we saw Pooja Dadlani, his manager, representing him in court. What about, you spoke to so many people this morning. What about, Kubra Seth and all of them? Talk to us about that.
Yeah, Pia. So, I mean, yeah, the film industry has lent its support. But what is also very surprising is what the film industry has been speaking, it mirrors actual
Right.
legal counsels as well. So, this morning, E-Times spoke to really senior lawyer Majid Memon, and he
Yes.
was of the opinion that, Aryan will probably get bail. And his statement was refusal to grant bail will be an undeserved hardship for Aryan because Mr. Memon was of the opinion that he's already served 18 days in custody, and he's probably served enough. And again, these are the exact same thoughts. A couple of days we had interviewed Prahlad Kakkar, who has worked extensively with Shah Rukh, and he was saying the same thing. He was saying if the guy, I mean, if Aryan has sort of been in custody for a couple of days, and if the judiciary wanted to teach him a lesson, they've probably done that. And these were also the arguments by the lawyers representing Aryan in court, whether it was Satish Maneshinde or Amit Desai. They have
Right.
continued to say that the lesson has been taught to the young man. He was not caught with any sort of substances, and the NCP is not sort of claimed that he was into. I mean, they are trying to figure out his involvement, and that is part of their investigation. But the common man's perspective also has been that if he's not been found with anything, then why is his custody being prolonged so long? And those are the questions that you and I and probably all the fans are also looking
Right.
forward to.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, when
Yes.
our photographers and our reporters also spoke to people outside Mannat, a lot of people were saying, echoing the same things that he's a young man and he's served so much of time already. So why can't he just come out? He's not going to hamper with the evidence. I mean, you have to also take into account the fact that he's a celebrity's son. He himself is a celebrity. He's not going to be caught in nefarious activities going forward, especially when there is a case happening. So such has been the opinion of people and the fans and even celebrities per se. So yeah, and it's
Right.
rather unfortunate that
In,
he's probably going to spend a couple of more days in jail now.
Right, absolutely. Till the family, of course, will apply for bail at the High Court. But what is also interesting is, Rajat, this Aryan was also counseled in jail in front of Sameer Wankade, if I'm not mistaken, and that's when he promised to make amends and do something for the relief of the poor, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes. So that news also created a lot of buzz a few days ago, and
Yes,
E-Times reached out to Samir Wankhede himself, who also confirmed that such a counseling session did happen. Although he did maintain that, they usually counsel almost all accused in such cases,
right.
and their idea being that they want to teach people that this is not these are not good activities. These are habits that they need to get over. So that is the thought. But what Mr. Wankhede was also saying was that because this was Aryan, so and because that sort of caught speed within the media and social media as well. And I mean all the again, when you go back to what Aryan has said, the statement that came out that he's going to help the poor, and he's
Right.
going to do something in the future that is going to make the NCB and Wankhede proud. That itself shows that even he's also anxious. He's
Yes.
also waiting when he's
Yes.
going to come out, and that is exactly what everyone else is sort of waiting and watching. And
Absolutely.
let's hope when they go to high court, this gets resolved and he gets bail soon.
Right, absolutely. And Aryan has been one of the recluse star kids. You don't see him getting papped very often. In fact, the sister Sohana Khan gets papped more often than Aryan Khan, and he's usually the one who hides and shies away from social media and the media also. So I guess it'll just be like a waiting game at the moment till the family does manage to go to Bombay High Court. Well, stay
Yes.
tuned for more updates here on E Times. Thanks for watching.